Maytag washer error code 8888 indicates a communication problem between the main control board, known as the CCU, and the user interface. This typically results in a stuck display screen, unresponsive controls, or cycles that won't complete. The error is often triggered by issues with the control board itself, display problems, or power fluctuations. This code serves as a self-test protocol designed to prevent further damage to the machine. Before trying more complex solutions, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, safely unplug the washer from the power outlet. Wait 1 to 5 minutes to allow the system to fully reset. Now, plug the power cord back into the outlet. Attempt to run a wash cycle by selecting your preferred settings and pressing Start. This simple power cycle can reset the control board and clear the error code. If the error code still appears on the display, it means the basic reset didn't resolve the issue. Proceed to the next troubleshooting step for further solutions. Many Maytag washers have a service mode for diagnostics and resets. The method to access this mode varies by model. Service mode allows access to diagnostic tools and error log resets. For Bravo's models, try pressing and holding the spin and soil level buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. For newer models, it might be power and start for 3 seconds. Consult your washer's manual for the exact procedure. Once in service mode, you may find options to reset error logs. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced reset procedures can help resolve error code 888. Many users report success by holding specific button combinations for extended periods. For example, holding the power and cancel buttons for 10 seconds works on many Maytag models. Always check your specific model's manual for the correct combination. Online forums and appliance repair websites provide valuable model-specific advice. These community resources often share successful reset methods from other users. Remember to exercise caution and always disconnect the power before attempting any internal manipulations. Safety should be your top priority when working with appliances. The role of firmware updates. Maytag has addressed error 888 through firmware updates, particularly for smart appliances. Check if your washer is connected and capable of receiving over-the-air updates. Ensure it's running the latest firmware, as these updates often target control board instability and can resolve the error. Maytag's Smart Care initiative includes such patches. If reset attempts consistently fail, the control board, also known as the CCU, might be faulty and require replacement. The CCU is the brain of the washer, processing all operations and sensor data. A malfunctioning board can trigger error 888 by failing to communicate properly with other components. When the board fails, it often requires professional diagnosis to confirm. Technicians can locate and test the CCU to determine if replacement is needed. CCU replacement typically costs $200 to $400, including parts and labor. Always consult a professional to avoid further damage or warranty issues. To minimize the risk of error 888, protect your washer from power surges by using a surge protector. Power surges can damage the control board, leading to firmware corruption and error codes. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the dispenser and checking hoses, can also help prevent error 888. Clogs in hoses or dispensers can cause sensor malfunctions that trigger the error code. For older models, consider extended warranties that cover control board issues. Maytag's Reliability Assurance Program offers this coverage, providing peace of mind for potential repairs. If you're uncomfortable performing these fixes yourself, or if the error persists despite your best efforts, contact a qualified appliance repair technician. They have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and resolve complex issues. Attempting repairs without proper knowledge can void warranties or cause further damage.